What's going on, friends? We're here in Myrtle Beach,
Awesome.
South Carolina.
Awesome.
This thing is heaven. So what I want to do just is give you guys a quick look at the all the hotels, and also give you guys a quick review of our hotel in case you're looking at coming here. You're looking for a decent hotel, not too expensive, that offers a lot of amenities. What's the name of our hotel again?
Ocean Dunes.
Ocean
Villas.
Dunes Villas.
And suites.
Suites. So let's go ahead and take a look right now. By the way, today is December 30th, 2015. So we are one day away from celebrating New Year's.
Yes.
Let's go ahead and take a look. All right, so these are all the super nice hotels that we see right here, right now by the beach. Okay, tell me a little bit of information. You used to come here every summer.
Well, this is North Myrtle Beach, and I used to vacation on South Myrtle Beach. So this is a little bit different than North or South Myrtle Beach, but it's still the same atmosphere, the same touristy, you know, lots of hotels. Friendly people, lots of food, eateries. It's just a wonderful place to vacation in.
There are some houses right here, but you said that most of the
majority
the buildings are going to be hotels.
The majority of the buildings are hotels. Very, like I said, very touristy, very hospitable, and at this time of year, since we're in December, it's the off season, so very affordable, and the weather right now is probably 75 to 80 degrees.
Yeah, let's share with everybody how much we got our hotel for.
Well, we paid $48 a night for the Ocean Dunes.
Yeah, $48 a night, that's really cheap. So we pay how much with taxes and everything? Was like
$125.
$125 for 2 nights here in December.
And New Year's. It's New Year's Eve tomorrow.
New Year's. A really nice area here. I don't know if some of you guys remember it, but I mentioned a few times during some of my videos that I'm considering moving. And we're actually here for that reason. We came here all the way from Nebraska, the Midwest, to look at, take a look at this hotel, to look at the city Greensboro. Greensboro, it's about 2.5 hours away from Myrtle Beach. It's a growing economy, really nice city that offers a nice weather. You still get 4 seasons, a lot of things to do. And if you want to get out of there, you have Myrtle Beach, 2.5 hours away. But we're having an amazing time right now, so we're gonna go get back to our hotel so I can show you guys a little more of the hotel that we got and give you my opinions. All right, so these are some of the hotels close to ours. They're doing a lot of renovations. This one is huge. So this hotel here looks more like apartments. Take a look at this small one there. Alright guys, and this is just to give you a quick look here at the ocean. It's a little crazy today. It's about 5:30 in the afternoon, I think. Kate! Alright, my friends. We are in front of our hotel. This is Ocean Dunes. And as you can see, it's a pretty big hotel. They have this building right here that we're looking at right now, but they also have that other big building. That's the newer addition to Ocean Dunes. It looks like the balconies on the new addition are bigger. I'm gonna try to zoom in. So as you can see, the balconies are bigger. And here's a look at ours. It's a really nice hotel. They have like 4 or 5 restaurants, I think 2 swimming pools, fitness center. There's a convenience store in the parking lot. You can go buy beers, wine, you know, whatever your supplies. So we're gonna take a look at the amenities when we go inside of the hotel. This is our hotel, right?
Yeah.
Okay. They're gonna do a New Year's party, right?
Yeah, and the other building.
Oh, in the big one. Yeah, we're on the 7th floor. Here's the pool. One of the pools. I think they have 2 pools, right?
2 outdoor, 2 indoor, I believe.
Oh wow. Oh, long walk on the beach. So here's the pool area. It looks really nice. There's a beach right there. Oh yeah. And our room, it's on the 7th floor here. So let me show you guys the lobby area and also our room. So we're walking right now in the lobby area. All right, we are in floor 7. Just got out of the elevator. Here's a look at our view. And let me show you guys our room. Yeah.
But it was really tall like that one. But it had a roundabout.
All right, here's the view from the balcony by our door. A really cool view. I don't know if those are apartments or hotels.
What?
So we're inside of the hotel right now, guys, the room. As you can see, they have a small fridge here. There is also a microwave, coffee maker. There's a bathroom. Here's a small section for your clothes. And there is the sink. And here's a look at the actual bedroom. We wanted king size, but I don't know why. We got 2 queen size beds. But as you guys can see, the bedroom is actually pretty big. You get your this drawer or dressing right here. There's a flat screen TV, couple of chairs, a table, your air conditioning, and you get the balcony with the ocean view. You get a small table and 2 chairs. Here's a beautiful view, and the pool is downstairs. There's a beach. Alright friends, I hope this video helped. Again, this is Ocean Dunes here at Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Peace, Happy New Year's to everybody. See you guys later.